2 years ago, we started Heizen, where young AI native engineers in India are building the future of software. We always believe that enterprise grade software will need human ingenuity. India, as we all know it, has a very vibrant, young, and enthusiastic tech talent ecosystem, not just by Indian standards, but by world standards. At Heizen, we are working with world class AI engineering talent, AI native from day one, 10x productive, and young. So we decided to give you a sneak peek into the future of Indian AI workforce we are building from ground up across pan India. I'm also happy to share that with just 20 engineers in our Heizen ecosystem, we have been able to generate over $1 million in revenue. This documentary follows the story of such amazingly talented engineers in our Heizen ecosystem. I hope this resonates with some of you. Thanks.
In 2023, while the world was still grappling with the impact of AI and jobs,
artificial intelligence is coming for your job. AI is going to replace you in just a few years. It'll all be out of work.
From Apple, they've hired up so much talent. You'd think that they have
a new generation in India unlocked something bigger. Meet Nilesh, one of Heizen's youngest engineers. He's not chasing pedigree. From a small town called Banaskantha in Gujarat, he's building the future one AI agent at a time.
I was bored in college, scrolling YouTube, found videos on LLM. Then I thought, why not build my own chat agent? Started with Python, used libraries like LangChain. My first bot fixed bugs faster than I could.
The new generation workforce, especially in software domain, is working with the new skill set, which is software engineering plus AI. They understand AI, which tools to use, when to use it, and compressing an entire software delivery process. Now the question is not about whether you can build this or not, but it's about how fast can you ship it.
Heizen's thesis: software built by 100x engineers. Nilesh joined us after hacking a demo app in hours. We pair him with AI agents. Think PM bots for planning, QA for testing. It's agentic, agile, superhuman delivery.
AI speeds us up, but we build responsibly. For India's workforce, this means millions of jobs. Not just coding, but AI agent and data governance.
AI is taking job and everybody shit scared about it, and you are the one who is building that AI. So what's your take on it?
And I think I will be the one who will be making the most money.